Hi, boys and girls. It's time for Fundations. Today we're doing Unit 6, Week 1, Day 3. All right, so let's begin. And we're going to start today off with some trick words that we're just going to read. Okay, let's read together. Ready? Let's read. Together, world, place, who, were, whoops, where, there, here, when, often, they, once, always, new, no, against, pretty, done, goes, please, animal, sure, again, use, used, right. All right, nice job. Now let's go through some sound cards that we need. Echo me. A apple A safe A, E ed E p e, I itch I pine I, O octopus O home O, U up you rule you. All right, today we're going to be working on adding suffixes to a word that has a vowel consonant E. So let's begin with the word cake. That's a fun word to start with. Cake. I love to eat cake. Let's tap it out. Elbows up. Cake. K-A-K. Cake. K. Letter C. A. K. E. Now you notice we did not put CK. That's because CK is only used when there is a short vowel. C-A-K-E. Now let's go ahead and mark it. Cake. We have a long vowel. There is a silent E. And when we scoop it, we see that there are two vowels. And so it is a vowel consonant E syllable. It is not closed. It is a vowel consonant E, and this is the mark with your hands. You make a V with your hands like this. Vowel, see the V for vowel, vowel consonant E. That's the type of syllable it is. Now, if we add the suffix S, the suffix S means it's one more than one cake. So circle it. And we have the word cakes. Now, when we have a suffix, we have to underline the root word, cake. Show your teacher your board. Good job. Erase. Next word. The next word is hope. Elbows up. Hope. 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 Okay, it starts with an H. O. You hear the O. So it's long. P. Now, if we just leave it like that, we have the word hop. But we have to add the E. And now we have hope. So it's a long vowel, silent E. We scoop it, mark it, vowel consonant E, vowel consonant E. And when you add S to hope and you have hopes, she hopes you learn how to do your math. Your teacher hopes you learn. Okay, so you circle the S and you have to underline the word hope. Show your teacher your work. Good job. Erase. Next word. Echo me. Plate. I got my food on a plate. Elbows up. Plate. P-L-A-T. Plate. Okay, how does it begin? P. Letter P. Now make sure your P goes below. P-L. That would be an L. A. Plate. Now, we have an A, but what's missing when you have a long A sound? That's right, we need that E on the end. Plate. And since we have two vowels, it is a vowel consonant E word. So scoop it. Vowel consonant E. Now we're going to add the suffix S, plates. That means more than one plate. Circle it. And you have to underline that. And we need to also mark that this is the S sound, not the Z sound. Show your teacher your work. And erase. Or if you're using your iPads, just new slide. Okay, next word. Echo me. Bike. I like to ride my bike. B. I. Need an I. K. Now, it has a long I, so that means we can't put CK. It has to be KE. Bike. Let's add the suffix S. Circle it. Bikes. Makes the S sound. And you underline bike, because that's the base word. Scoop it. And since you have two vowels, we're pointing to the vowels, and we have vowel consonant E. It is a vowel consonant E syllable. Vowel consonant E syllable. Show your teacher your work. And if you are on an iPad, new slide. And if you're not, erase. Okay, now let's do some trick words. The first trick word we're going to do is the word move. Move. I had to move my chair. Move. Elbows up. Move. 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 Okay, it starts with an M. And then it has an O. Move. And then the tricky part is that it has an E on the end. Move. M-O-V-E. Now, if we map it, it begins with an M. Ooh. What sound does the O make? Ooh, like in school. So it makes a double O. Ooh. V. You hear the V. And the E is silent. Move. Move. All right, now let's write the word move 3 times. I'm just going to write it right up here or down here. Move. M-O-V-E. 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 Move, move, move. All right, now let's trace to erase. Ready? Move. M-O-V-E. Move. Now put your iPad or board down. Put your hand on your shoulder. Move. M-O-V-E. Now let's write it on the carpet. Ready? Move. M-O-V-E. Write it on the carpet. All right. Good job. Erase or next slide. Our next trick word is the word house. I live in a house. Elbows up, house. House, house. All right, starts with H. And then OU makes the sound of ow. OU, trout, ow. Ow. That would be an S. And here's the tricky part. It has a silent E on the end. House. 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 All right, to map it, it has an H. The OU says ow, and it's actually spelled OU. How. And then S, house, and the E is silent. House, house. All right, let's write it 3 times. House. 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 House, house, house. Well, let's trace it with our finger. Ready? House. House. Now, let's tap it on our arm. Ready? Put your arm out. House. 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 Now let's write it on the floor. House. 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 Good job. All right, now we're going to do some sentence dictation. So either erase or new slide. House. Oh, what am I doing? Okay, here's the sentence. Echo me. Mike must move to a new house. Mike must move to a new house. Okay, let's start with Mike, capital M. And it's a long vowel, I, K. And we know we have to have what on the end? An E. Mike. Make sure you have the word Mike. Must. T. Mike must move. We just practiced this word. Move. Mike must move to, T-O. Mike must move to a new, and this is new like it's brand new, N-E-W. Mike must move to a new house. Just practice that one. House. House. Mike must move to a new house. You may pause the video if you need more time. And show your teacher your work. I hope you have a great day today. I will see you tomorrow.